And we're back. In a while, I'm working on this new knife. It's about a 12 and a quarter inch blade on it. I'm having the handle come down. I'm thinking of putting a mild steel pommel on it, like a big unnecessary woods knife, bushcraft, survival type design. So you have the handle curved. Thinking of maybe making this a little bit bigger so it's not too thin, but it'll lend because of the angle. This will angle downward for much better chopping. So there's that. Got my stuff on. About to get started. Got the angle grinder and everything. So it'll be nice. 3/16 thick. I'll hit you back when I'm done.